Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to do this really nice purpley smoky eyes. So if you're interested to see how I did this look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. I'll be using a lot of Huda Beauty products in this tutorial, so I'll start with the Desert Dusk palette using the shade Amber as my transitional color. As you can see, I'm just blending this shade into my crease. Next, I'm going to use the shade Amethyst and pack this color on my lid. I'm going to keep packing this color on my lid until I'm satisfied with the pigmentation. Then I'm blending the color into my crease along with the transitional shade. So I'm going to add more of the shade Amber because I feel like it went away when I was blending Amethyst from my crease. And here I'm just packing more of Amethyst on my lid to make sure it's more pigmented in case it went away. And then I'm blending out my crease so there's no harsh line. I forgot to show which shade I was using, but I'm applying Royal from the palette. And I'm using my finger to apply this color. I applied Royal on the inner third of my lid as a pop of color. Now I'm taking the shade Ode, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Anyways, I'm just putting this color on my outer corner and bring it into my crease for more depth and just deepening out my crease. And now I'm just blending the color with a clean pencil brush to smooth out any harsh line. And finally, for my brow bone, I'm using the color Desert Sand and applying it with a smaller, more defined pencil brush. I already applied eyeliner and lashes, and now it's time to do my face, starting with my Milani primer for smooth base and minimize my pores. For foundation, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm in the shade Golden. I'm applying it with my finger first. Then I'm just buffing the foundation with my Sonia Kashuk brush, which is my favorite brush to blend out my foundation. Next, I'm going to apply cream contour using Wet n Wild contour stick in Call Me Maple. And this is my first time trying out this product as cream contouring, and so far I really like it. I'm using this brush from Eco Tools and I love this to blend out my cream contour. Next, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape and Tape and applying the areas I usually conceal for highlighting effect. So I used a bit too much of this concealer. I only used it like twice. So I have to remember not to use it too much next time. So yeah, as you can see, I did use a bit too much, so you do not have to apply a lot using this concealer. Now I'm going to set the areas that I applied the concealer, and I'm using my Ultabeauty pressed powder in Banana. And I used my wet beauty sponge from Real Technique to apply this product. It looked better applying this way in my opinion. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Maybelline Better Skin pressed powder. I'm making sure I'm getting the neck area as well. To finish off my eyes, I'm using amber again to smudge out my lower lash line. And I'm pressing the color into my lash line with a flat shader brush. Then I'm blending it out with a clean brush, making sure there's no harsh line. Now I'm going to apply this brown eye pencil from Rimmel into my waterline. And finally setting the waterline with Ode or Aude, however you pronounce it, and finishing off my eye makeup. Now to contour my face, I'm using my Wet n Wild Megaglo palette using the contour side. And I'm applying it on the hollows of my cheeks, forehead, and jawline. Also the side of my nose. I'm just smoothing out any harshness with a big fluffy brush. For the blush, I'm using this brand called Hikari. I got this on my Ipsy bag long time ago and I finally started using it. Now I can't stop using it as my blush. I don't know what shade is it, but I'll put the name on the description box below. Make sure you tap off the excess before applying it on the apple of your cheeks. Time for some highlighter. I'm using the Hudabeauty 3D highlighter palette and I'm going to use these two on the bottom. First, I'm going to apply Ibiza I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's kind of like a rose gold color, and I'm applying it with a fan brush. And guys, I was shook when I saw it, how it looked on my cheeks, and I'm loving this palette. Then I'm going to apply the goldish color one called Azores. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. But I love this color on my cheeks too. Now for my lips, and yes, more Hudabeauty. I kind of went crazy shopping for Hudabeauty products, and that's why you're seeing a lot of them in this video. Anyways, I'm applying the lip contour pencil in Trendsetter. Now I'm applying the same shade in the liquid lipstick, and I've been obsessed using these two together for my everyday look. And now here's the final look. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I love how this look came out. It was really easy to do, so if you did like this tutorial and the end result, then please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye!